11th sum. Let A vector, comma B vector, comma C vector be the three vertex vectors such that modulus of A vector is 3 and modulus of B vector is 4, modulus of C vector is 5. Each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of the other two. And find modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Here we have the condition each one of the vector being perpendicular to the sum of the other two. We have to take this condition for this. Okay, this is very important. Here the given things are modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector and modulus of C vector. Okay, so here one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other two. So perpendicular is nothing but we have the condition A vector dot B vector equal to 0. Isn't it? So we are going to use the same thing only. The first vector is A vector dot and the second vector is nothing but sum of the other two vectors, that is B vector plus C vector. So these two vectors are perpendicular. So that condition is A dot B equal to 0. So we are using the perpendicularity condition. So multiply with the bracket the A dot B and A dot C here equal to 0. And then take the other two, second one B vector dot C dot A, C plus A equal to 0. So here also you have to multiply B dot C into B dot A equal to 0. And then next one C vector. So C vector dot A vector plus B vector is nothing but C dot A into C dot B equal to 0. And add these three things there. So this A dot B plus A dot C and B dot C plus B dot A and C dot A plus C dot B. So if you add everything, will get 2 times that equal to 0. And then take this 2 to the other side, it will also become 0 here. Okay, so we can say this value is equal to 0. And then we want to find the determinant value of modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector, isn't it? So I want to take the formula here. A vector plus B vector plus C vector square equal to A square plus B square plus BC square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Then substitute all the values. This value is 0 already we found here. So we can put 2 into 0 here. The remaining things, these values already given in the problem itself. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Okay. So here if you take the values 9 plus 16 plus 25 is nothing but 50. So modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector the whole square equal to 50. So if it is modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector, simply it will be root 50. That root 50 can be written as 25 into 2. The 25 square root is 5. So 5 into 2 root 2 is the answer for this. 12th sum. Find the projection of the vector I plus 3j plus 7k on the vector 2i plus 5j plus 3k. Here it's given A vector is I vector plus 3j vector plus 7k vector. B vector is 2i vector plus 6j vector plus 3k vector. We want to find the projection of A vector on B vector. So it's nothing but the formula for this is A vector dot B vector divided by modulus of, here it must be B vector. So we have to take this as A vector is nothing but we have to multiply the product, scalar product. So 1 into 2, 3 into 6, 7 into 3. So it is at the numerator divided by the B vectors, the square root of this 2 square plus 6 square plus 3 square. It's in the denominator. Let me simplify this. The numerator we can multiply as usual 2, 18, 21. At the denominator we have to square this first 4, 36 and 9. If you add everything you will get 49. That square root of 49 is nothing but 7. At the numerator the same thing will be there. So 41 divided by 7 here.